Okay, so in this class we'll do the next numerical. We have done 10.1 and this question 2 in the previous class. Now we'll do this 3, 10.2, 1 and 2 in this class. Okay, let's go and do example 10.2 textbook, page 179 first. Okay, let us do that. So please go into your question and let me read the question for us. Okay, an object 4 centimeter in size is placed 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. Okay, and of focal length 15 centimeter. Okay, then the question is saying, at what distance from the mirror should you place a screen? The word screen there means the image is going to be real, because the only type of image that we need a screen is the real inverted image. We can see, because real inverted image can be received only on a screen, so the image is surely going to be real inverted. In order to obtain a sharp image, virtually erect, we don't need a screen, no, like the looking glass at home, we never use a screen, we see directly behind the mirror. That's virtually erect because of that. But for real inverted, we don't see like that. We need a screen in order to receive it on the screen and see it. Okay, so find the nature and size of image also. So let us write down, since question is clearly saying, write along with me. Let's do slowly. The object, be very clear about it. Object 4.0 means simply 4 centimeter in size, comma, is placed, write slowly, at 25.0 means 25 only centimeter from a or whatever, from a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter, comma, this much information is given. So let's just write a rough diagram. So just follow me, and using this, let us draw concave. Now we need to know what mirror very clearly. So every mirror sign convention, reflecting surface should face to left, like this. Reflecting surface facing left, not like this. Blue side should face right and this side should face left. So we have to draw our C here and our concave mirror like this. So you draw with your pen roughly, that's fine. Approximately between half, you just mark your F, because F is always in the middle. Okay, then you see here, object is 4, size is placed 25 from the mirror. Let's do the focal length first. Focal length is 15, so let's just draw roughly. Focal length means distance between this and this, 15 centimeter. Left side, so minus. See, drawing is not necessary, but drawing helps us to get the sign quickly. Okay, once you get comfortable, you can stop drawing, but drawing, if you get time, is always going to help you. So this is the one. Now next, 15 means, you know, R will be double. 15 plus 15, 30, up to here will be 30. But object distance is only 25, so 15 and between 15 and 30 is the object, because object distance is 25. So draw your object rough. So object is 4 centimeter tall. So this is surely plus, because above principal axis. And then draw a ray imaginary to help you, parallel principal axis, then it will go to focus. We know this one, reflected ray. Okay, then from a mirror of focal length 15, object, then the object distance here means the distance between this object and the pole, because every distance will be measured from the pole, right? Object distance is, they are saying 25, so we write here 25 centimeter. Left side, so minus. See, then let us go and see the question. Keep some space here. So here you can write down here very clearly, given values are HO is equal to plus 4 centimeter object size. Okay, and then here small f, or you can write U first if you want. U is equal to minus 25 centimeter, and f is equal to minus 15 centimeter, because it's a concave mirror and we know that you can see left side is always minus and above principal axis is plus 4 centimeter. So we need to see the question. At what distance from the mirror should... Now we know that when object is between F and C, question 24, formation of image by concave. We don't know exactly where, but we know roughly that it should be beyond. So this will be the image. Image means HI, right? So our distance here, you can just draw rough distance. The distance here, rough one here, and then this is roughly what the question is asking. The distance between pole and image, V. We also don't know. Question also don't know, asking us. This one we have to find out. Go back to question. This is the distance where you have to put a white piece of cloth screen. Then you'll get this image. So this distance of the screen from the mirror, that's what they're asking. What distance from the mirror should a screen be placed? That means they're asking for V, right? So V equal to question mark is distance from the mirror at which screen, screen should be placed. This is what they're asking, should be placed. The question is asking this. Find, last sentence, find the nature and size of image. So nature means M we have to find out. And size of image means HI. So V, M and HI we have to find out. Question is asking this. Let us start. Now here, see, do slowly so you get it clearly. It's not hard at all if you know the sign convention. And in the beginning you start drawing diagram like this by using information from the question. It's quite easy. Now you see here, U and F are there. So we can easily find V by using the first mirror formula. So let us write that since 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. You can easily find, because 1 by V is the only one we don't know. Here we know 1 by U is minus 25 centimeter. 1 by F is minus 15 centimeter. You see here. U is minus 25, F is minus 15. So let's do slowly. 1 by V and plus into minus, minus, right? Then minus will go up and 1 by 25 centimeter, and minus, if it is the denominator as we said just now, we can immediately bring it up to the numerator. Then 1 by V we want to find. So let us keep the term containing 1 by V on the left side and shift this one here, minus 1 by 25, go from left side to right side and become plus 1 by, sign will change, 25. And this sign will not change because we didn't shift. So this is what we're getting. As we've been saying in our previous class also, I think, when there are only two numbers in the denominator, it is so easy to find LCM without doing prime factorization also. If you want, you can do prime factorization. The easier way is just take the bigger number, which is 25, and start writing its timetable. 25 ones are 25. Check whether it goes with a smaller. It doesn't go, isn't it? It doesn't divide. So 25 twos are, we know, is 50. 50 is again not dividing by 50, is not divisible by 15 again. So go to third, continue to go like that. 25 threes are, 25 timetable is very easy. 25 threes are 75. Is 75 going with 15? Let us try. 15 fives are 6, 5 fives are 25, 5 fives are, yes, 15 fives are 75. So the first multiple of the bigger number, 25 timetable, 75, is also going with the smaller. The first one which goes is the common multiple, smallest common multiple, which is also called least common multiple, LCM. So LCM is now 75. So we write here 75 centimeter. Now we know 25 threes are 75, right? 3 ones are will be 3 minus 15 into, just now we did 5 is 75, so 5 into 1 will be 5. Be careful with this. 1 by V is equal to, out of these two, which has more absolute value. Absolute means without the sign, which is bigger number. Yes, that's right. So we always raise the bigger absolute value up. What is the sign in front? Minus. So this minus belong to 5, not to 3. What is the sign in front of 3? No sign plus. So we write the smaller absolute value always down. We know when it's minus plus, we subtract. So 5 minus 2, 3, 2. And what is the sign of the bigger absolute value? Yes, 5 minus. Same sign of the bigger one you have to put. So this is not 2, this is minus 2 by 75 centimeter. Be careful with that. Okay. Then next, as we continue to do this, what are you going to get? So here, as you continue to do, you're going to get equal to 1 by cross multiply it now. Here you see plus and the minus, minus V into 2 is 2V. These two multiplied. Now these two multiply after equal sign. 75 ones are 75 centimeter. Then here we don't want minus, so change this minus 2V to plus 2V. Then this side, no sign plus, will become minus 75 centimeter. Then here V will be equal to minus 75, and if you shift this 2, it will come down this much. So you can just keep it like that for some time. Maybe equation 1. Okay, and then we need to find what? M and HI. So let us do that. Let's do it here. Now, since the formula for M that we can use here is, okay, better use V by U because V is there and U is there, see. Minus V by U is the formula. Put your equal sign, long line, okay, before long line, make sure your minus is there, and then long line. V, just now we got there, see, minus 75 by 2 centimeter. So you can put bracket if you want. And U here, minus 25. So you can just write minus 25. If you want, you can cancel this minus minus here itself. Then here, up here, still one more minus is still here, minus 75 by 2. This minus is formula, this minus is from V. Okay, be careful with that. Then centimeter into, long line means divided by, change to multiplication, then into. We know 25 means 25 by 1. So 1 will go up, 25 centimeter will come down. Up will come down, down will go up, right? Then here, these two cancel. 25 3s are 75, so you're getting minus 3 by 2. As I said, M will never have units, centimeter, meter. Impossible, because it's a ratio. Ratio means division of same type. Centimeter divided by centimeter is a ratio. Rupees divided by rupees is a ratio. Division of same type of unit is called ratio. So when you're dividing centimeter by centimeter, the unit will invariably get cancelled. That's why M should never have unit, okay? M equal to minus 2 centimeter. Some people write like that. Impossible, because it's a ratio, and ratio do not have unit. Why? Because ratio means same unit, a unit divided by the same type of unit. So same type, so the unit will always get cancelled invariably, okay? So this is M. So we found M. Finally, we have to find HI. So let us do that here. Maybe here. So here, see, continuing here, let's go and find out. HI by HO is equal to M. You see here. So let us do that. Then here, HI by plus 4 centimeter, because HO is here, see, 4. M just now we found out, see here, minus 3 by 2. So you write here, I forgot to give the reason, but you can write the reason here again. Since using equation number 1, see here, we got this minus 75 by U for V, and we know U from the beginning was minus 25 centimeters. So give that reason, see here. That's why we put it here, okay? Like that, you give the reason here also. Here, since using equation number, let us put this one as equation number 2. Is M value, so equation number 2. Okay, do slowly. And don't touch anything, just keep HI in its own place because that's what we want, size of image. The denominator shift, then it will go up, so let it go up. Then we'll get here minus 3 into 4 will go up along with centimeter divided by this 2. This 3 by 2 already there, this will go up. So 2 2s are 4. So we'll get here HI equal to minus 3 2s are 6 centimeter. We got everything. V we got here. M for nature we got, HI we got. So we can now write our final answer. Okay, our final answer will be, you can write it here. So let us put this one as equation number 3. Okay, now first one, go back to text. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed? So the distance of the screen should be the distance of V, which we got here, minus 75 by 2. Since V equal to minus 75 by 2, where did you get this? Using equation number 1. Okay, now let us divide it because we're going to write our final answer. So it's better to divide like this in the end, becomes easier maybe. 2 3s are 6, 1 in n, 2 7s are 14, 1 in n, point centimeter when you divide these two. Now we can write here, which is negative, clearly minus, right? So negative means what? Therefore, okay, V is the distance of the screen, so screen should be placed, where should be placed 37.5 centimeter. Now in your final answer you need not write the minus. Minus is going to be used for the position. Just wait and see. There is centimeter. Screen should be placed 37.5 centimeter. But where? Right side of mirror or left side of mirror? On the left, because minus. Or you can also write in front. In bracket you can indicate in front means left side, because in front and left is always minus. Behind or right side is plus. But here minus, so we have to put the screen in front. See, if you put it behind you won't get, because only virtually rect is behind. This is really inverted. So in front or left of this particular concave mirror. We know that the mirror was concave mentioned in the beginning. First answer. Then go back to question. Find the nature and size of image. So let us do the nature. So we can write here. I think this will be fine if we rub it out also. Now coming back here. Since M is equal to minus 3 by 2, as you get this one by using equation number 2. As you can see here, so we can find the value in our final answer. So minus 2 1s are 2, 1 in n, point 2 5s are 10, which is very clearly negative. Not only negative, in nature we have to find, and smaller or bigger, bigger or greater, bigger than or greater than value 1. Therefore, when it is negative, image means positive is virtually rect. Just now we did. Image is negative means the image is surely real, comma, inverted. And the value of M 1.5 bigger than 1 means, forget about the minus, 1.5 is bigger than 1, right? So bigger than 1 means, and image will be bigger. So it will be magnified, bigger than the object. So value greater than 1 tells us relative size as a nature. That's why M is more complete in describing the image of a image formed. Okay, so that is the nature of image. Finally, size of image. So let us write down here. We can write down finally here the final answer. Since we got HI is equal to minus 6 centimeter, as you get this one by using equation number 3. You write it down. Therefore, this is so simple. Size of image HI is equal to minus 6 centimeter. You just write simply like that. So first answer, second answer, nature, third is size of image. So this is 10.2. We'll go to question 1 and 2 now. Okay, so page number 180. There in the box you can see the blue letters. Let me read the question for us. Okay, so let me read the question for us. There, it is written, find the focal length of a convex mirror. I repeat, convex mirror. Radius of curvature is 32. So here, question number 2, textbook, page 180. Since question is clearly saying radius of curvature, of this convex mirror, very clearly they said convex, of this convex mirror is 32 centimeter. We know the convention now, very easy. Draw with your pen. Mirror convex reflecting surface must face left, so like this. So this is our P, halfway F, and we know question is saying radius of curvature means distance between C and P is 32 on the right side, so plus 32 centimeter, right? So you write here very clearly from our information, convex means R is on the side or right side, so R will be plus 32 centimeter. Question is saying find the focal length. Go there. Yes, find the focal length. So F, very easy. So we can just do here. Formula number 2. F is equal to half of R. So there will be half into R is 32 centimeter, and it is plus because it's on the right side. So this is going to be 2 into 1, 16 centimeter, if you like, plus. So this one you have to find out. Distance between F and P. F was question mark. Now we found it out. Therefore, its focal length, okay, small f is equal to 6 plus 16 centimeter, like this. Also you can write, or you can simply write it as 16 centimeter. Okay, so that is the answer. One more question. So it should never come out minus. Convex focal length can never be minus because it's on the right side. Because reflecting surface is facing left means curve will be like this, and so inside of the ball is here. So F is bound to be on the right side. Okay. And question number 3, last question for this test. So let us write down question number 3. Let me read the question for us. A concave mirror, I repeat, concave, okay, concave, I repeat, mirror, because it's so important to get what type of mirror you're dealing with if you're going to do it correctly, okay, produces 3 times magnified, means M is 3, or enlarged. Magnified and enlarged is same meaning, real image, identify that, real images of object placed 10 centimeter in front of it. So let us write that information because that is very key in solving, writing the information correctly. Since the concave mirror, very clearly it's concave, round it off if you want it, so that we don't forget, produces 3 times, very important word again, 3 times, underline it if you want, 3 times magnified, that's enough, magnified or enlarged is same, real image. So this is again important, real, virtual or real is so important in giving us the value of M, okay, of an object, of in an object placed 10 centimeter in front very key word again. But we know object should be always in front of it, because according to sign convention, we know object is always in front. So if questions wrote by here mistake behind, then we should know that it's wrong, because object cannot be placed behind, in front of it. So this much. So let us say, where is the image located? So here, concave mirror, obviously, so reflecting surface facing left, so C ball like this, so C there, F and P, and the information given us is object is on the left, so U. Okay, M, 3 times mirror produces 3 times magnified, means 3 times means M is equal to 3, okay? And then it's a real image, so since we know real image is always, write down, always inverted, and virtual image is always erect, we know that. So since real image, the question said just real, they didn't tell us whether it's erect or inverted, but we know because real image is always inverted. So if real image is inverted, HI will be minus. So the value of M is always, when it is inverted, is minus. So M will be minus 3. And no unit, no centimeter, because M never have unit. I've been telling this repeatedly because this is important. So M is minus 3. How do you know it's minus? Because the question told us it's real, and we know the real is always inverted. And inverted means the value will be minus below principal axis. So M. Then here, place object place 10 in front. So 10 in front means U is equal to minus 10 centimeter. We put minus because question is saying in front. In front means left, and we know left side is always minus. Then what is the question asking us? Where is the image located? So you write here, V is question mark. That's what we have to find out. So let us write down, since we know that M is equal to minus 3, we'll use what is given. And we'll write here, since given in the question for us, if we want. Then we can write here, finally, that implies M, go and see here, related to V by U. M is minus V by U. So this M here, this can be replaced by this. So I put minus V by U instead of M. Equal to this one, I can write same. Minus and minus, right left can cancel, and then you're getting V by U is again minus 10 centimeter, as you can see here. Then here, that implies V don't move, and if you shift denominator minus 10, it'll go up and multiply this. Minus into plus, minus 10 3s are 30 centimeter, which is clearly negative. Therefore, go back to question. Where is the image located? So you can write here, image is located, just like using the textbook language. Image is located 30 centimeter, comma, don't need to put minus there. Minus means, we know that means in front or left of this concave mirror, because the mirror is concave, right? So that's the only thing the question is asking us. So this completes the portion. Now you can go and give the test. A test, every question is identical. Number is slightly changed. So observe what you have done with your pen just now. Write it on your notebook, compare and see, open your textbook and notebook on which you have solved all these sums, 5 sums, compare and do, okay? And it's really help you during exam. That way, during exam, you don't have to stress so much, okay?